Hello and welcome back to respiratory system. Today we are going to talk about a very special part of respiratory system, that is pharynx. Pharynx, as you can see here, is a connection between your digestive system and your respiratory system. It is a common place where your respiratory and digestive systems meet. This special part called pharynx is actually a connecting link between the digestive and the respiratory systems. There are two openings at the base of the pharynx. The opening that leads to the air passage is known as glottis, and the opening that leads to your digestive system or the esophagus is known as gullet. So gullet leads to the esophagus and glottis leads to the air passage. Now don't you think the glottis and the gullet are placed quite close to each other, and there are all the chances that food from the buccal cavity while passing through the glottis and entering into the gullet may accidentally fall into the windpipe. If you look at the structures here, it is very easy for food and water to enter into the windpipe, and we all know the consequences of entry of food and water into the windpipe. That is quite irritating to us, and under severe conditions it may be fatal for the individual also. Now, how to fight back the situation? How do we prevent the situation like this? Prevention of this situation is simply done with the help of this flap-like structure, which is known as epiglottis. This structure is known as epiglottis. Epiglottis actually is a flap-like cartilaginous structure that simply is pressed down to close the opening of the windpipe while we are trying to swallow our food. So when the food is pushed from the buccal cavity towards the pharynx, apart from pushing of the food into the pharynx, this food also presses this flap-like structure to close the windpipe, and then it enters into the esophagus. This is a auto-regulated process that the moment you swallow something, the epiglottis automatically closes the air passage. This is how this situation of accidental entry of food and water into the windpipe is prevented. Now let us see with the help of a small video how exactly this auto-regulated process functions. Now let us see how food slowly slips down from buccal cavity to the pharynx and into the gullet, closing the epiglottis automatically. If you see the top view of this epiglottis, it appears to be a cartilaginous flap-like structure which is pressed down while swallowing and closes the air passage just like this. Now when the food slips down, enters into the gullet like this. Accidentally, in case if some food particles enter into your air passage, you push them out with the help of a simple jerk called cuffing.